Hey there, resellers! Can you spot what's a dud and what's worth big money? Are you ready for another thrilling trivia challenge that will put your knowledge to the test? Well, you're in luck! Welcome to the Ultimate Reseller Quiz number 2. We have an exciting game in store for all you savvy resellers out there. We'll be testing your expertise and identifying the value of various items, recognizing famous logos, and even diving into different clothing styles. If you've subscribed and watched many of my research videos, you'll have an even bigger advantage during this game. Let's see if you can answer these 25 questions correctly. Keep track of your answers to see if you're a beginner, a pro, or somewhere in the middle. Get ready to put your reselling skills to the ultimate test. Which item is more valuable? Is it the Dia de los Muertos Barbie from 2019? J. Crew Liberty Floral Dress, size XL? Or American Eagle men's board shorts, size XL? The answer is the 2019 Barbie. It sold between $100 to $400 on eBay. What style are these shoes? Is it A. Loafer, B. Desert, C. Charleston, or D. Wingtip? The answer is D. Wingtip. Match the logo. Is it A. Avalanche, B. J. Jill, C. Atari, or D. Activision? The answer is C. Atari. What is this clothing pattern called? Is it A. Checks, B. Chevron, C. Batman, or D. Houndstooth? If you know your fashion, you'll probably know this pattern. The answer is D. Houndstooth. But I have to say, it does look a little bit like Batman if you look at it at the right angle. Which brand of men's jeans sells the fastest? Rank them. Is it Lucky Brand, Hollister, or Affliction? This one's tricky if you don't know men's jeans. The answer is Affliction at number 1, Lucky Brand at number 2, and Hollister at number 3. Affliction has a sell-through rate of 127%, which is really fast. Lucky Brand has a sell-through rate of 52%, and Hollister has a sell-through rate of 24%. Tag spotting. What's the brand? Take a good look. If you haven't heard of this brand before or you don't sell this type of clothing, you may have missed it. The answer is Lilly Pulitzer. Alright, our next game is over and under $50. Which of these items is over and which of these is under? We have a Battlestar Galactica board game sealed, and we have a Monopoly, the 1980s edition, also sealed. The answer is Battlestar Galactica is over $50 at $100 sold on eBay, and the Monopoly game is sold at $25, which is under. Okay, clothing resellers, this one's for you. What style is this shirt? Is it A. Jersey, B. Crew, C. Tunic, or D. Henley? The answer is D. Henley. When I first started out, I definitely would have missed this. I don't know all the terms for men's clothing. We have another logo here. I personally didn't know this one, but maybe you do. Match the logo. Is it A. Kings, B. Rolex, C. Crown Royal, or D. Pyrex? The answer is B. Rolex. What is this pattern called? Is it A. Paisley, B. Damask, C. Scroll, or D. Argyle? This is another question for the fashion sellers. The answer is B. Damask. Which item is more valuable? We have a vintage Star Wars movie promo t-shirt from the 90s. We have a Torrid Curve push-up bra, size 40 double D. And we have Fly London red shoes. If you only had a couple bucks at a yard sale, which of these would you pick up? The answer is the vintage Star Wars t-shirt. eBay prices range between $75 to $125. Sales for Torrid bras only range between $10 and $30, and Fly London shoes can vary between $30 to $75. Over or under $50. We have a Christmas edition here. There's a vintage Department 56 Christmas Snow Village and Schoolhouse. And we also have a vintage 16-inch white ceramic Christmas tree from Atlantic Mold. And the answer is the School Village is under $50, selling for $22 on eBay. The ceramic Christmas tree is over $50 at $75 on eBay. Be sure to check out my Christmas video if you want to learn more about what's valuable in this category. What is a popular keyword used for these pants? Is it A, jogger, B, sweats, C, chinos, or D, rodeo? The answer is A, jogger. This style is definitely becoming more popular recently with men. We have another logo for you. Is it A, Asics, B, Viper, C, Zion, or D, Mizuno? I'm curious to see how many of you can get this one right. The answer is D, Mizuno. Which item is more valuable? We have a Ray Dunn sugar canister, 8-inch. We have Robin's jeans, men's size 32. And we have a vintage Burns-O-Matic lantern. And the answer is Robin's jeans is the most expensive item, selling on eBay between $75 to $125. Burns-O-Matic is in second place, selling between $50 to $75 on eBay. And the Ray Dunn sugar canister has a sales range between $15 to $25 on eBay. Okay, shoe sellers, this one's for you. What style is this shoe? Is it A, Susan's, B, Betty, C, loafer, or D, Mary Jane? The answer is D, Mary Jane. Tag spotting. What's the brand? Take a good look at this tag. The answer is Columbia. Which item is more valuable? If you've watched some of my videos, you may already know the answer to this question. We have a vintage 1983 Cabbage Patch Kids suitcase. We have a Little Miss No Name doll from 1965. And we have a Lego Super Mario Castle expansion set. The answer is the Little Miss No Name doll. It sells on eBay between $100 to $200. In second place, we have Lego Super Mario, selling between $75 to $100. And in third place, with the lowest resale value, we have the vintage Cabbage Patch suitcase at $10 to $20. We have another logo for you. This one may be tricky. Is it A, Gucci, B, Dolce & Gabbana, C, Versace, or D, Athena? The answer is C, Versace. Which one sells faster? If you've watched any of my men's or women's clothing research videos, you may know the answer. Is it a Faherty men's polo shirt or a Johnny Was Baya tunic blouse? The answer is the Johnny Was blouse. It has a sell-through rate of 86% on eBay. The Faherty men's polo shirt sells pretty quickly too, but it has a sell-through rate of 42%. Here's another tag for you. What's the brand? And the answer is Life is Good. This is a very popular t-shirt brand where the material feels like it's already been worn in. They have very comfy clothing. Here's another pattern for you. Which clothing brand is known for this pattern? Is it A, Chanel, B, Coach, C, Gucci, or D, CC Summers? The answer is A, Chanel. Which item is more valuable? Again, if you were at a yard sale, which of these would you be willing to pick up? We have an Xbox 360 Slim, including controllers. We have a Vitamix Super 5000 blender. And we have a Popples plush from 1986. The answer is Vitamix Super 5000. This is a vintage blender that is going for $100 to $150 on eBay. Our runner-up is the Xbox 360, selling between $60 to $90. And in third place, we have the Popples plush, selling between $20 and $40. Here's another logo for you. Is it A, R.I.P. Hopper, B, Psycho Bunny, C, Bunny Darko, or D, Insane Psycho? I have featured this brand in some of my videos, so some of my subscribers may know the answer. The answer is B, Psycho Bunny. This is a fast-selling clothing brand on eBay. And our final question. Which item sold for over $1,000 on eBay? We have a rare Death Wish coffee mug featuring Uncle Sam. We have a vintage Samantha doll from Pleasant Company. This is American Girl, and this is from 1986. And we also have a vintage 1996 electronic dream phone board game that is complete with all materials. And the answer is the vintage Samantha doll from American Girl. This doll sold on eBay for $1,450. The Death Wish coffee mug sold for $260 on eBay, and the vintage Dream Phone board game sold for $125. How did you score in this game? Thank you all for joining us today, and remember, keep hustling and reselling those treasures. Until next time, stay tuned and keep those reselling skills sharp. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know how you scored on this quiz. Thank you for watching.